Here is the best way on how to play or download Undertale on your mobile phone. So here, as you can see, this is Undertale's official website. It's available on Nintendo Switch, PC, PS4, PS Vita, and Xbox. But if you want a quick way on how you can play it on your mobile as well, I'll show you the tutorial for it. So remember, it has a PC version for it as well, and you can download it through Steam, Humble, GOG, or Microsoft, whatever you would want to choose. But if you have the original copy on your PC, you can just simply go to your Play Store on your mobile device, and right over here you need to type in QuickTale. Here we go, and here it is. So I'm just gonna press on install, and I'll be right back once the install is done. Okay, so the app is downloaded, and here, as you can see, we're just gonna go through it by just pressing on this, and here, as you can see, it's just gonna explain us how you can do it. As I told you before, you need to have original Steam copy of your Undertale on your PC in order to play it on your phone. So just to simply follow this step, as you can see on this picture that is showing, and just simply keep on doing that. And in your QuickTale app, you need to do all these, and it's pretty simple. After having copied the folder into application, select the folder on button and select Undertale folder, and wait for the app to finish configuring as shown in the image. So yeah, this is it. And to finish success after doing this process, you can play Undertale on your phone. Enjoy. So you need to connect your PC to your phone, and after that you need to select the folder as it showed, and it's pretty straightforward after that, and you can just start. But it's an ad, but yeah, you can just simply do that, and yeah, I'll see you.